In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Blender settings to their factory defaults, a useful skill for times when you need to start afresh or encounter issues with your setup. Let's get started by opening the Blender application on your computer. Blender is an incredible piece of software for 3D modeling, animation, and much more. But sometimes it's necessary to return to a clean slate to tackle issues or initiate a new project. Once Blender is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. The File menu is where you'll find many options related to your project, including saving, opening files, and other Blender-specific functionalities. Next, you need to scroll down until you find Defaults. Click on this option. The Defaults section is where Blender houses its configuration and settings-related actions. It's your gateway to adjusting how Blender behaves when it starts, or how it handles preferences you might have set at an earlier time. Now, within the Defaults menu, you'll notice an option labeled Load Factory Settings. Click on Load Factory Settings. This particular option is crucial. It reverts all the settings and preferences back to their original default state. It's a bit like hitting a reset button on your television when the settings are not quite right. It ensures that any changes, intentional or otherwise, that may have caused issues with how Blender operates will be undone, returning everything to a state just as it was when you first installed the software. Once you've clicked Load Factory Settings, Blender might prompt you with a question or confirmation to ensure that you're certain about resetting to factory defaults. When you're sure, just proceed by clicking Load. And that's it. You've successfully reset all your Blender settings back to their default state. This process should help clear any configuration issues and give you a fresh start. Remember, performing this action will wipe out all your custom preferences, so make sure to back up anything important before proceeding. I hope you found this guide helpful. Resetting Blender can be a lifesaver in many scenarios, particularly when exploring new avenues of creativity or encountering stubborn issues. Thank you for following along, and happy blending!